doing, yeah, there's a bunch of bee doing their, sucking their nectar out. This is Dahlias, and this bee here is really enjoying it. And there's a few of them doing it, getting nectars out. Here's another one. It's another one enjoying the nectar, and another one, quite a bit of them enjoying the flowers in my yard here in Arkansas. See how pretty that is? That must be a really sweet flower because there's a lot of them doing it, getting the nectar out. Look at this. So they just ignored me, so that's good. They didn't fly away when I came closer like this. Yeah. And there's even a moth with it. Okay, where are they? Yep, I think that's pretty cool that they still do it now. They're still enjoying the flowers now. It's big dahlias that I have that actually fell down. And here's another bee here. Do not bite me, whatever you do, bee. Okay, here's another bee.